Hi everyone, and welcome to the Free Range Diva. Today I've got a makeup look for you. Recently I went to vacation in Arizona. It was 100 degrees and dry the first couple of days, and the makeup look that I wore, or the makeup that I wore, lasted all day. In fact, the third day, it started out like 100 and something in the morning, and it was dry, but because it was monsoon season, the clouds rolled in the afternoon, and a little rain came down. And I was expecting my makeup to melt off or sweat off, and it didn't. So I'm going to show you what I did while I was there to keep everything in place and to keep my skin well hydrated. So starting with that, let's do a quick skincare. After cleansing, I would use my Skin Diva toner. This is the hyaluronic acid infusion spray, and then I would follow that up with this cream. This was my day cream, and it's from La Vie Labs. It's the Hydrolift Age Defying Cream. And this is more like a gel cream consistency, and I'm going to do a full review on that and the serum that goes with it later, like in a week or so. But that kept my skin really well hydrated, which brings us to the featured product today. And it is from Suntegrity. This is the Impeccable Skin Moisturizing Face Sunscreen in SPF 30. And this product, before I put this on, it's been a while since I did my skincare this morning, so I'm going to give my face a little bit of a spritz. This is just my Reveal You water, mineralized water. So, yeah, the first time I tried this is the shade, my shade is tan. Let me just adjust the mirror here a second. Oh, please don't everything fall over. Okay, the first time I tried this, I thought that it would be, thick, because it is a moisturizer sunscreen combo, but it is not at all. It glides over the skin. It gives you a little bit of coverage, and it also gives you your SPF, and this stuff stays put all day. So the third day I really tested this out. The third day we were there, that was Saturday, we went to the Botanical Gardens, and I sweated like crazy. A little more on. And that evening, when I got back, I expected to see a mess on my face. And I was shocked, because I did not. So, alright, so there you go. And this doesn't feel like anything on the skin. I love this product so much, and I keep going back and forth about getting a full size of it, because a little goes a long way, and it's kind of expensive, but maybe if I could find a coupon. I know I have some points at Credo, so I may get a full size of this, but right now I'm just going to keep using this travel size, and see how many uses I get out of it. Okay, a little bit of lip balm before I go any further. That's my Flourish lip balm. And then I used this concealer from Mineral Fusion. I've used this, and then I use something else, and then I come back to it, but really, this is really a good concealer. I expected to see, crinkling at the end of the day. Nope. I'm going to set this with a powder. Oh goodness, please tell me I brought the powder with me. And this is all the makeup. This is my little makeup traveling bag, so this is all the makeup that I traveled with. And it really isn't a lot, when you look at it. see if I put my setting powder in here. This powder is a sample I got from somewhere, and I put it in this little jar, and now, of course, I don't remember what the what the powder was, which is horrible because I really love it. I honestly, I've racked my brain. I have no clue what this powder was or where I got it from. Okay, and then for the rest of my face, I'm going to go over it with a dusting of the Jane Iredale Pure Pressed Foundation. And I'm just going to do a light application of this as a kind of a setting powder. The Suntegrity is a matte set. And I would say on my skin it's almost matte, but I do, put a lot of stuff underneath it. But it's matte right now. Once I get this on. So that's the foundation face. So for my eyes, I'm just gonna do a simple, because you know it's vacation, I don't want to spend a lot of time doing eye looks, so I'm just gonna do a simple look from this Pink Nudes palette from Pacifica. I'm gonna do this color right here, mostly on the lid, just kind of all over, just as a light wash. And then in the crease, I'll go in with the with this dark shade, with this shade right here, which is a little bit darker. And if you're wondering about these, I got these at a crafts fair from a woman who has an Etsy shop, and I'm going to talk more about this because these are made from grass, and July is Sustainability Month, and so I'm going to do a separate video all about how we can, you know, not do zero waste, because that's pretty tough, but we can certainly lower the stuff that we put in the landfill. And July is also a no plastic month, and if you'll notice, this is in cardboard. But yeah, I love these earrings. They're like the favorite thing that I bought this year, I think. Oops, there we go. So I finished with just on the lid, this pinky shade right here. I went in with that on the lid, right there. Yeah. In fact, Jane Iredale is a company that, although they are not zero waste, they're low waste, because these compacts are reusable. You just pop the center out when it's empty, and then, oh, is that, there we go. You just pop this out, you know, when it's empty, and then instead of buying the full compact, you just buy the insert, and then you always keep the case, you reuse the case. For eyeliner, I'm going to use this darkest shade. This looks like a brown, but it's actually a deep, deep, deep purplish shade. And I wet this little liner brush. There we go. Wiped off the excess, and then I'm going to pull my color straight from here, because this is just easier than, ooh. Okay, oh sorry, how can I do this so that I can see? Yeah, okay. I don't have my contacts in, so Lord knows how this may end up looking. So yeah, as I was saying, did I mention that July is a plastic-free month? Or at least trying to get away from using as much plastic as you possibly can. I'm also going to run this underneath the eye because I am not, and I did not, except for the first day, I didn't wear mascara. The first day I did, not that it ran, it didn't, but the rest of the time, I did not. You don't know how much I admire those of you content creators out there who can actually do your makeup on camera in real time. I'm trying it today, but I don't know how successful this is going to be. Okay, not too bad. Yeah, so I think I'll just leave the mascara off. I didn't bring it with me anyway, did I? No, and I don't feel like getting up again to get it. So I did not bring an eyebrow pencil with me. I'm just going to use this medium ash, what is this, brow powder from Silk Naturals, and use this just to kind of even out my brows a little bit. Just going to use my finger to kind of blend this in. Okay, not bad, hey? For the blush, this is just, this is from Silk Naturals as well. This is a shade called Poppy. It's a peachy shade, more on the peach side than anything else. Try to put the blush pretty much where I would blush normally, but that doesn't always work out, you know what I'm saying? Sometimes it ends up halfway all over my face, but okay. And then lip color from Red Apple, Sweet Pea is the name. I think they're having a sale coming up soon too. And that's it. The makeup that I wore on vacation to Arizona. So let me know in the comments, have you been on vacation this year? And if so, where? Tell me, you know, if you've been to the beach, or if you went to see family, or if you know, did anything special for the 4th of July. Let me know down in the comments below. And of course, if you tried any of these products, particularly the Suntegrity, let me know what you think of that. And should I buy a large size or not? I don't know, I keep going, I don't know. Yeah. Okay, but that's going to do it for this week, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Stay tuned. Like I said, there hopefully will be an extra video this week of some things that I got from Amazon to help with zero waste and getting plastic out of your life. And I want to unbox that and then talk about some things that I have around the house. So if you have subscribed, thank you very much. If you haven't, please do, and hit the notification bell so you won't miss that video or my next video or whatever my next video is. All right, everybody, thank you so much again for watching. And until I see you again in my next video, I want you to have a wonderful day, a wonderful week. Take good care of yourselves, and I will talk to you again very, very soon. Bye!